All right, guys. Yesterday I talked about this phone cooler I got, the MEMO CX12 phone cooler. Here's it. So I just did the unboxing and say a few things about the cooler. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some really cool features this cooler has. And first of them all is that the cooler, like I said earlier, or yesterday, it has a battery pack on its own. So you can use it for like 1 hour 20 to 1 hour 30 minutes without plugging it in. So I think it's not that long, but it's somehow cool. So when taking your device out, if you are not with your power bank or something like that, you can just attach the cooler and it connects magnetically. Now you see the magnet. This one magnet here, this another magnet, and this another magnet here. So like I said, this is the connecting pin. It doesn't use this connector, this USB type C, no. To connect to the battery also has these two pin on it. Can you see the two pin at the side of the USB type C port? So you just bring them together and they clip, and it's pretty strong. Can you see it? It can't pull off except you apply external force on it, but on its own like this, it won't fall. It won't fall. And also, I told you it has a button. If you look here, you see the button. Can you see the button? You use the button to control it. Can you see it? So you just click it. You see it? Now, can you see it on AI mode? It has an AI mode, guys. The AI mode dictates the temperature. It dictates your surrounding temperature and adjusts the cooler according to the temperature of the surrounding. Just stabilizes the temperature of the cooler. And also, guys, like I said yesterday, that MagSafe stuff I said earlier, this is it on my pouch. So when you just stick it to your pouch, it's very, very strong. It can't go out. Thank God I did not stick it directly to my phone. If not, it would have been a problem. Can you see it? It's very, very strong. It won't go out. The gum on it is so strong. When you stick it, just bring it close to it like this. Can you see it? It will just magnet to the pouch. Can you see I'm shaking it? It's not coming off. So the magnet is very, very strong. It's okay. I love it. I just stick it. I use it few times yesterday and earlier today I tried it. So I said I should explain this or bring this to your notice. As you can see it, guys, it's pretty strong and it's getting wet. Check here. If you feel it, there's like water molecule getting in here. Can you see it? Can you see the inside? Can you see the shape? So it's getting pretty cool. The cooler is actually working. It's working fine. It's a very, very nice cooler. If you look at it, you see water on it. It produces water. It's working wonderfully well. And together with the battery pack. Also, if you don't use it with a battery, you can connect it to a power bank. You get a power bank and look at the cooler here, the cable. It comes with a cable. You just connect the clip. Okay, I should drop the power bank somewhere. You connect the clip to the power bank anyway you like. Can I say automatically it's going to kick on. If you see the fan, look at the fan, and it produces water on the surface. Can you see the water on the surface? It gets very, very cold for it to produce water. And it's working pretty well. It works pretty well, very well. I used it a lot and I told you my play heavy games. My I play demanding games. Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG Mobile. I play a lot of games on my phone and my phone pretty gets hot. If you are into games, I know you play heavy games on your phone, even light games for a long period of time, your phone is going to get hot. So I have to just get this. And instead of my phone hitting always, and something's going to get damaged, it's better I just purchase something like this to save that extra cost. Because when something get damaged in the phone, you are going to spend more than purchasing a phone cooler like this. And I got this phone cooler for 26,000 plus. So it's not that expensive. Thank you guys for today. If you're watching, please like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below. Catch you guys in the next one. Cool.